You can create this video using just your phone. First, I set my camera on a tripod and then I acted out this particular scene where I was walking and I hit an imaginary person, threw the bat, did some dance and then acted like the person that was hit. Then you open CapCut, select new project, then add the recorded clip. Click on overlay and then click on add overlay for you to be able to import the same clip over again. Scale the bottom clip to match the first one. Then go to the part of the video just before I started doing the dance. Make sure the bottom layer is selected and then click split. Select the video in front of it and delete that. Then go to the end of the video just after I left the frame, split it and delete the rest. With the bottom layer selected, look for the remove background icon and click on that. Then clicking on the first layer, go to the beginning just before the do with the back comes out.